my group members are James and David, and this is our Conley's Game of Life. So yeah, to start off, these are the many functions that we created to navigate through our program. Let's start with the first one, step. When you press the key for step, it will automatically update the cell for you towards the next generation. And if you want to reset, you would simply just press the letter R that we set the key to reset. And to randomize, it simply randomizes different cells in random places in the grid. By pressing the letter U, we would randomize a bunch of cells. And instead of using the step function, there's another function called the automatic go, which automatically starts the cell until you press pause, which automatically pauses the entire game of life for you. So that was the go function, and this is the pause function. And let's say you wanted to save a file. You simply press the save key, which is S for us, and it will tell you right here, please enter the file name you would want to create. So let's name it testing.txt, and then it'll say entire grid saved. So we will go back right here, and to check if it actually saved, let's reset it and try loading that exact text we just saved. Okay, so please enter the file name you want to load. So it was testing.txt, and yeah, it loads. Now our next function, right, is it's accident click automatic go, pause it. To unpause, you would unpause it just like that, and yeah, and you can press go again if you want to, and pause it again. Moving on to the next phase. Let's try saving part of the code. Let's reset this. Okay, reset. And for our key for save part, it would be 1. So let's set up a couple cells first. Save that. Enter the file name. It will tell you right here that you would please enter the file name you want to create. Let's name it part.text. And what is your row? Let's name it 2-5 and 1-4. Part of the grid is saved. And to check if that part of the grid was saved, you would simply go to a folder, look up the created file, a text file you created, which is testing part for us. Look that up, see if it created it, and it did. Now for loading, we did the load part. We did the load entire grid, but we have not done the load part. Let's try that. So reset, and simply just click load part. I'll ask you to please enter the file name you want to load. Let's load the beacon part right here. Let's load. Oh, sorry about that. Let me try that again. I accidentally pressed the wrong key. in a row, 2-8, 2-6, and load the beacon, and let's see what happens. And it runs. Pause. Unpause. And for our last function, it would be escape to automatically end our entire program. Yeah, and so that's it. That's our game of life. Finished.